just waking up. Well, let's get going. Let steam come up and I'm already hot. This week has been pretty challenging, although was dealing with illness in the home. But while I was doing these things, the shopping is a big part of plant-based diet, and also being very specific about my starches. And so the starch of choice this week has been the potato, and mostly the yellow potato. And you will see the differences throughout the week that I actually made the same potato, but I used different spices, seasonings, and also I just made it fun. And all about that air fryer. I cannot tell you how that is such a game changer, and also cuts down the cooking time that you need to be a plant-based or whole food plant-based eater. The positioning of the plate is so important, and I had to throw this in here. If you're in weight loss mode, the 50-50 plate, which was basically created as a guideline from the Starch Solution book, and it's showing that half your plate is starch, and really look at wet starches because it's high water content food, and the other half is non-starchy vegetables like broccoli, asparagus, Brussels sprouts, whatever is your favorite greens. Put that all on the other side of the plate. This will help you to start working on your weight loss journey, your weight loss goal that you have set for yourself. Because I am not a very patient person, and I'm trying to be, but I think you guys can relate that I do cut back on the starch in what I call the 2/3 plate, and that's more of being more aggressive about weight loss. So you will see that also, and 1/3 of the plate is the actual starch, and 2/3 of the rest of the plate is vegetables. This will keep you out of danger, and this will keep you from calorie counting. And it just makes sense when you see it visually on the plate and you put it in the right position and what you need based on servings. It will keep you into a weight loss mode and continue on. And you're eating healthy, and it's all about chasing the health, right?